Anita 50 back final. Then 3.
So here they come towards the finishing area, 50-meter backstroke. Who will be the champion in the 11 through 12 age group? And early on, out in lane 1, Emma Gafton with the lead. And now in lane 3, here comes Anita Yang.
Go, Anita, go!
And Yang trying to hang on. Now in lane 4, Sophia Berry moving up, as is Catherine Curtis in lane 5. It's gonna come down to the touch, and it's gonna be Berry with the win, 34.95. Finishing in 3rd place, Catherine Curtis. In 2nd, Anita Yang.